With Samsung's official reveal of the Galaxy S25 series fast approaching, the excitement is building, and the latest leaks are fueling even more anticipation. What's new, and what can we expect from these highly anticipated phones? Today, we're diving deep into the most recent information surrounding the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra, and there's a lot to unpack. First off, let's talk about the colors. The Galaxy S25 is expected to arrive in a stunning icy blue shade with a frosty premium feel that's sure to turn heads. The S25 Ultra, on the other hand, will feature a more sophisticated titanium silver blue, offering a sleek, modern look that's not just a regular blue, but a color that catches the eye without screaming for attention. These colors are reportedly going to be showcased in new renderings, which have just emerged, showing both phones encased in crystal clear cases, allowing us to see every detail of their design. The render suggests slimmer bezels, contributing to a more immersive experience, and the Ultra model looks even more polished with its rounded corners and minimalistic design. But it's not just about looks. These devices are built for performance. Both models are expected to feature the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, bringing unrivaled power and efficiency. Samsung is taking things further by refining the internals to ensure top-tier performance no matter what you throw at these devices. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps, these phones are designed to handle it all. And let's not forget about memory. The S25 Ultra will come with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring that even the heaviest users will experience smooth, lag-free performance. Now, if you're someone who loves wireless charging, you're in for a treat. The Galaxy S25 series is rumored to support faster wireless charging speeds, jumping from the 15W of the Galaxy S24 to an impressive 25W. This improvement is a game changer for those who rely on wireless charging, making it faster and more convenient than ever. Additionally, the inclusion of King i2 technology and MagSafe style rings could hint that Samsung is stepping up its wireless charging game, although it remains unclear whether these features will be built into the phones themselves or require special cases. Either way, this upgrade promises a more efficient charging experience. When it comes to design, both the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra will feature premium materials. Expect a titanium frame, Corning Gorilla Armor Glass, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making these phones tough enough to withstand everyday use while looking stunning. The S25 Ultra in particular will have a slightly thinner and lighter design compared to its predecessor, improving its ergonomics and making it even more comfortable to hold. The slightly narrower, taller design of the Ultra model also hints at a more modern feel, perfect for anyone who enjoys a slim but powerful flagship. But let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a true contender in the camera space, with rumors pointing to a 200MP main sensor. This will allow for incredibly detailed shots, rivaling even the best point-and-shoot cameras out there. On top of that, the Ultra will reportedly include a 50MP ultra-wide lens, 10MP 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP 5x optical zoom camera, covering every angle and zoom level you could need. Not only will the S25 Ultra excel in capturing high-resolution stills, but it will also support 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, perfect for capturing moments in the highest detail and smoothest motion. But what about the battery? With the S25 Ultra, you're looking at a 5,000 mAh powerhouse that ensures you have all-day usage. With 45 VW wired charging and reverse wireless charging, this phone will keep you powered up and ready to go, no matter the situation. You'll also get the added convenience of Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and 5G connectivity, future-proofing your device for the years to come. As we approach the official launch on January 22, 2025, the leaks continue to roll in, and the Galaxy S25 series is looking more promising than ever. The combination of cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and powerful performance is setting these phones up to be some of the best on the market. Samsung is pushing the boundaries with this new lineup, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the new color options? Do you think the 200MP camera will live up to the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official reveal, and be sure to subscribe for all the latest news on the Galaxy S25 series.